Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can change a nickname on Telegram, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, go ahead, open up your Telegram app. Once I've opened, this is how your interface is gonna look like. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna tap on this little settings icon at the bottom, and then you're gonna go to this option of set username. And now you can add yourself a new username. You can change the previous one to the one that you would prefer. Once you have done that, make sure it's an available one, then tap on done, and your username is now created. Now you can go back, and that is basically how your nickname is gonna appear on Telegram itself, and that is basically how you will be able to do so. If you got more questions, let us know in the comments below. I will make sure to get back to you, and that is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.